Good morning universe, good morning earth, good morning mga city, and good morning Labrador. To this vlog is yan yung Cocopit building, oh, lumang luma na. Until now buhay pa siya. Video yung kapwa ko. Ang photogimmick ng Labrador nagbibideo para sa Cocopit building update. Ayan, bagong pintura yan, pero luma na yung building na yan. Pinakalumang building, pangalawa sa Madrigal at saka sa Insular Life. Ayan yung Cocopit building, lumang luma na siya. Ayan guys, thank you for watching my vlog for today. Cocopit building,